What is up, everybody? Golden Holden here with Gold Plating Services, and today we are going to be unboxing a Goldsmith. Alright, so today we have with us a Goldsmith, and we're just going to open this box up. And in our box, we are going to have the machine itself. This is the Goldsmith. We will have the leads that come with it and the handle and the bits. We have some safety equipment, the DC outlet, as well as our gold that is double bagged, and then some sample plating parts to show you what it looks like when plated in gold and to have you test your gold. And that is everything in the box. All right, so we're going to start with opening this Goldsmith. We'll take it out of this bubbles. There we go. And it is nicely wrapped, as you can see. And we're going to take this plastic off. There we go. There is our Goldsmith. Now we're going to need to plug it into a power source. So we're going to open up the outlet, and we will plug it into the back right here and take this out. So we just plugged in our machine. So we're going to fill our beaker up 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 of an inch full of our gold solution. And with our handles, we are going to plug those in, so we'll cut it open. And our handle is going to be plugged into this handle output. And our common will be plugged into our black common hole. And the bits that come with it have this little important instructions. And they say just to soak your sleeve before you plate. That is the most important thing. They come pre-soaked. You can see this one comes pre-soaked. We'll take that out. We're going to insert that into our handle, make sure it has a good connection, and tighten it down. Prepare your gold. You just open up the gold and put it into your beaker. And remember to wear your safety equipment. Now just turn on your Goldsmith, and this adjusts the voltage, and you're all ready to plate.